Hello and welcome to We Buy Any Motor Caravan. Now I've got a little bit of a story to tell today, something based on an experience that happened last week. So we had a phone call from the security gatehouse at the business part we're on. We had three people trying to get through, very upset people because they've been scammed out of a lot of money. It was a motorhome that we had and sold a year ago. We've got the photos online and somebody's used them, and each person I think got scammed out of £5,000 each. It's not uncommon, it's something we hear a lot. A few years ago we had our website cloned and they posted about 50 motorhomes around that sort of mark, and I had a call every day, 2 calls a day for probably 2-3 weeks before it got taken down, with people saying, you know, I meant to have my motorhome delivered, it just never got delivered. And these people were anywhere between £5,000 and £15,000 out of pocket. And the problem is, because there's so much of it around, it gets so long to get taken down. It's just hard work and so many people lose money. But there are a few things you can look at to hope that this doesn't happen to you going forward. First of all, is the price too good to be true? 99% of the time it absolutely is. So I'm going to give a good example here. So we've got this Carthago C compact line. This is a photo I took probably 2-3 years ago. As you can see, it's a 2014 self-leveling. I can remember taking it until it appeared on a Carthago forum this morning. Then if we have a look on Auto Trader, we've got lots of similar models where we've got the same year of motorhome online for £60,000 versus what the advert said here for £6,400. I mean, that's just that extreme. I really hope somebody won't get caught in a scam for that, because you're talking nearly 10 times or 10% of the actual value. Another one we've got is one on eBay. It's a Trigano Tribute, quite a common model, 2007. Again, it's listed for £8,900. You look on Auto Trader, the cheapest ones are £28,000, so that's £20,000 more than what you expect. And then just as one more example, Eldest AutoQuest 120. This one's on eBay for £12,900. The cheapest one on Auto Trader is £28,000. Now there's a few things to look at on this. One is on eBay, this particular one has been taken over. Somebody's broken into somebody's account. It's got a good feedback score on eBay of 365, and they've just listed a load of motorhomes in the hope that they'll catch somebody. But then you've got the opposite here, where you've got a brand new account that's just been set up, somebody's signed up, posted one online, and again it'll catch people. It's just so easy to do. So please do your research, make sure the motorhome that you're looking at, the price is about right. And the biggest thing is, make sure you go and see that motorhome. You don't want to be buying something and spending that sort of money. Doesn't matter how cheap it is, the cheaper it is, you know, the more chance it's going to be a scam. You need to go and see it. The only thing you can get away with doing, or I would personally do, is put a holding deposit on something if you want to go and reserve a motorhome, but I'd still research that dealership. Make sure you go on to, if it's listed on eBay or something like that, go onto the dealership's website, ring the number that's on there, make sure you're speaking to somebody. With a lot of these times it's via email or WhatsApp or something like that. And again, there's no physical person to speak to. And then with a holding deposit, it's going to be £100, £200, so it's not much at all. You can go and see it, make sure you're happy, make sure it's physical, then do the transfer. And the other thing to watch out for is make sure that when you're making that payment, it's normally done by bank transfer. Make sure that the business details match up with the sort code and account number, so you can really see it's a verified business. 2 or 3 things to look out for. I mean, if there's somebody like that's advertised quite a few different motorhomes on the same day, if you have a look at all the photos, the chances are they're all in different locations. So whilst it looks like a dealership's listed a load, everything's in a different place, which means that they've just been taken from somewhere on the internet. A couple of last tips is, something I'll do if I was buying from someone private, again, make sure you see it, never pay anything without seeing it, but ask for a walk around video. So if they can send you something that's quite personalised, so focus on a particular part, you know, just say I want to have a good look around the kitchen, can you just send us something like that? Because then you know it's not, I mean, it wouldn't take much for somebody to go onto YouTube and pull a video off YouTube and say that that's the video. So that's something else I'd definitely do. And last and final, if they're offering delivery, especially with a motorhome, I'll probably say that you're 99% sure it's a scam, because there's no dealership in the country that will really be able to give a proper handover without you seeing it before. there's just too much complexity. I know that some dealers will only do 2 handovers a day because they want to allow 4 or 5 hours just because it's going to take that long. But please, whatever you do your research. Do your research of the person you're buying off or the company. Don't pay without seeing it. Don't accept any delivery. Make sure you're speaking to somebody, and make sure you stay safe online.